Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 24 hours from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to because this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description or sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Cancer, next 24 hours. Let's see, what's the energy for Cancer next 24 hours? Okay, so next 24 hours, you will focus on your health, yung iyong kalusugan. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong bibilihing bagong, it's like gamit, no, para sa health ninyo. Like for example, yung mga ano, nagche-check ng blood pressure, ng blood sugar, ganon. Oo. Yeah, because gusto mo ayusin yung sarili mo ngayon. You want to transform, um, you want to fix something. Meron kang gustong ayusin sa sarili mo. Things na napabayaan mo in the past kasi mas nag-focus ka sa ibang bagay. So ngayon, inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. This is also about committing yourself. Kino-commit mo yung sarili mo sa goals mo. Yung iba sa inyo, you are into manifestation. Script writing. Yung ano, nagsusulat ka talaga ng manifestation skills. Manifestation na gusto mo. Scripting, ano ba? Scripting nga yun eh. Yung meron kang journal and you are writing yung mga gusto mong ma-manifest sa buhay mo. You are also, yung iba sa inyo very spiritual. You are intuitive. Ang lakas ng pakiramdam ninyo. Maaring kayo ay isang leader, like nagli-lead kayo ng isang community, ng group, or sa workplace ninyo. Meron kayong certain position wherein you are respected as someone na maraming alam or knowledge na pwedeng i-share sa iba. You are also focused on yung iyong mga routines. Meron kang mga inaayos sa routines mo ngayon. Pwede kasing iba sa inyo, lumipat ng bahay, lumipat ng trabaho. Kaya parang nag-a-adjust pa kayo. You are in the process of adjusting with the surroundings. Let's say, lumipat ka ng bahay. So, syempre, bago ka pa lang sa community, sa lugar na yon. So, sinisettle mo pa yung sarili mo. Or sa work, no? Sa trabaho, yung workplace mo, you're still in the process of getting to know yung mga katrabaho mo, mga colleagues mo. Some of you are nasa media or nasa entertainment industry or teaching, nasa school, or writing. That can be your focus as well. There's something that you need to address sa family, sa home life. Pwedeng meron kang kailangan kausapin na family member, especially your father. Or can be your mother as well. But it's a masculine energy. Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong pinagdadaanan sa relationship, no? Kung kayo ay may karelasyon na pero hindi nyo pinagsasabi sa iba, sinasarili nyo lang. Oo, pwede kasing ayaw nyo na merong makialam or ayaw nyo na may makisawsaw na ibang tao sa relationship ninyo. And I also see someone na merong tinatago na relasyon. May tinatago na relasyon sa iba. O kaya siguro, sinisikret nyo kasi, syempre, itong relationship na to ay hindi pwedeng malaman ng kahit na sino. or alam niyo hindi pa kayo sigurado or hindi pa kayo handa na ipakilala yung person niyo sa inyong parents or some issues that you need to fix with this person pa, no? Okay, let's see the overall energy next 24 hours. The sun. This is clarity, this is confidence, vitality, lakas. So kung kayo ay nagkasakit in the past, in the next 24 hours, magigain nyo agad yung strength ninyo. Yes, magiging malusog, malakas, masigla ulit kayo. What is the challenge? Hierophant, if you are in a relationship, like especially yung committed relationship like marriage, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng issue or problema rito ngayon. Ito yung pwedeng hindi mo na pinapaalam sa parents mo na may problema or sa kaibigan mo, sinasarili mo lang. Kasi iniisip mo na maayos pa naman. Hindi mo naman kailangang ipagsabi lagi sa iba yung pinagdadaanan mo. Personal problems, 'di ba? Kasi kung kaya mo namang solusyonan right away, ayusin, di sa'yo muna, sarilinin mo muna. Your opportunity, the 9 of Pentacles. May opportunity ka sa kaperahan, finances. Yes, I see money coming in the next 24 hours. This is also financial stability, financial security, financial independence. Kung ikaw ay may balak na mag-ipon, ayan, in the next 24 hours, magagawa mo na. Masisimulan mo na yung pag-iipon. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong i-check na inyong alkansya in the next 24 hours kung kamusta na ba ang inyong ipon. Baka babasagin nyo na yon, no? Kukunin nyo na yung laman. This is also fulfillment, no, sa inyong finances. Lalo na you've been working so hard talaga. Yung iba may bagong work, bagong career, bagong source of income. Your blessing is the 8 of Swords. So as a blessing, umaalis ka sa isang sitwasyon na gumugulo lang sa isip mo. You are gaining clarity. You are not allowing, di mo na ina-allow na merong mga taong makialam, makigulo sa'yo, bumulong sa'yo, na ganito yung dapat gawin mo. Di mo na hinahayaan na may taong kokontrol sa'yo. Kasi ikaw na, you are taking, taking responsibility. Money, career, finances. Maari daw na meron kang mga plano na hindi practical sa ngayon. Kaya pag-isipan mo munang maigi. Aralin mo kung realistic ba siya, practical ba siya, kasi baka magsayang ka lang ng oras dyan. Okay? So, sa relationship, may honeymoon. So, some of you will spend intimate time with your person, quality time with your person, para lalo niyong mapatatag ang inyong relationship in the next 24 hours. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.